In today's video, you learn how to change language on the Temu app. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Then tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Before changing the language, you will need to update your country or region based on the language you want to use. Now tap on country and region. You will see a list of countries. Choose the one that matches your preferred language. Then tap switch to this country or region to confirm. Now go back and tap on language. From the list, select your desired language and confirm. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.